All right, so I want all of you to open your chat box where I pasted few chat links just now. So first link is of syllabus link. You can check your syllabus on these two particular links. In case you have not enrolled yet, no need to worry. You can click on payment process and you can join this batch. We are always welcome to take up the feedback. You just need to fill up this form and we'll get your feedback. Yes, you have complete right to know in detail about your particular batch. For that, you need to click on this all batch link. In case you have any further queries, you can always email us at support@olympiadscience.com or you can drop us a WhatsApp message on these two particular numbers. Okay. So now I would like to invite your mentor at the platform. Her name is Miss Neha Singh. She's a wonderful mentor. She's having conceptual clarity. Her class is very engaging and interesting, and she loves to teach kids like you. She has been teaching Olympiad students since 5 years. So with this, over to you, Neha. I guess Neha, you are not audible. Means I'm not sure whether it's my audio is not working. You're not audible to me or to others also. Is it same? I guess. Megha, is Neha audible to you? No. Yeah, Neha, I think you're not audible to students. No, no, not yet.
Am I audible now?
Yes, you are
Yes.
on.
Maybe some settings have been disturbed now.
Okay, I think then you need to give an introduction again. Then we will have a dashboard tour along with the presentation. Then you can begin with your teaching demo. Okay.
Okay.
You can start with the introduction once again.
Shall I start now?
You can start with your introduction, Neha, once again.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Sorry. Okay. Hello, everyone. Today I'm your maths e-mentor Neha. I have done my BTech and B.Ed, and I'm just taking Olympiad classes for mathematics as well as reasoning. Giving classes to some foreign students also, means the students of Australia, New Zealand, and all. And today we'll be learning about reasoning. Okay, it's going to be a very interactive question sessions. And yes, if you have any doubts in that, you can come up with your doubts. If you have any doubt, you can ask n number of times. There is no limit of asking the question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Though I am very sure that you will not take so much time. I mean, it doesn't require 2 or 3 more numbers of time. Okay. So, ma'am has asked you what is reasoning. Anybody of you, maybe you must be knowing about reasoning, but what is reasoning? Coming to the suppose certain situations has given to you, okay, and coming to the conclusion, seeing the certain set of situation, means giving reason to some cause, that is called as reasoning. That is what we are going to learn. In reasoning, what you are going to learn, some questions will be based on alphabetical pattern, some questions will be based on image patterns, okay, some question will be based on number patterns. Now, how these patterns are repeating, how these things are working, coming to the conclusion, okay, and giving the reason to that, that will cover the reasoning portion. Okay, let's get back to the slides and then we'll be learning what we have to learn here. The topics covered should be diagram based question, analogy based question, find the odd one out. Finding the odd one out means certain set of things will be given and they will be correlated to each other. You have to select that which of the following, which of the observation will not be satisfying the required criteria. Okay, we will be doing means you will be able to analyze when you will see the questions regarding that. The very first question is diagram based question. See, whatever.
Let's have our presentation first, Neha, then you can begin with the time. Megha, let's begin with the presentation quickly.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. I hope my screen is visible to everyone. And so kids, kindly be attentive throughout the PPT. So I welcome you all on the platform of Olympiad Success. So Olympiad Success is the India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad examination. We are the India's first exclusive live classes for Olympiad preparation, one of its kind yearly program that includes courses that matter. We are having 8 courses, School Plus program, mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, spoken and written, Vedic maths, and coding. What else we provide? We provide one-on-one online CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, and IB classes from grade 2 to grade 12, and one-on-one preparation classes for various Olympiads. You can meet our rank holders. These are kids like you only. No need to worry. You just need to spare extra 2 hours of regular studies because Olympiad examination is quite little tougher than the regular curricula. We are having live Olympiad sessions, group sessions with around 20 students delivered through Zoom by tutors with significant of teaching experience. We're having 2 sessions per week, Saturday and Sunday, 4 p.m. till 5:15 p.m. IST with 5 minutes of break. This session includes mix of theory, practice question, doubt sessions, and discussion on previous year paper. And student will get the reading material and practice question available on the dashboard of Olympiad Success. And also student will get a free access to Olympiad Success platform to practice the topic-wide mock test. So syllabus is available on particular link for grade 3 and grade 4. The fee of this course is rupees 5,576. It is a 25 session course and payment can be made by using this particular link. This fees includes online class, daily reading notes and exercise, practice of previous year paper, and access to Olympiad Success platform. What else required? A laptop or desktop with good internet speed, laptop or desktop with camera, and headphones for the better audio clarity. Live classes will be starting from 28th of June 2025. In 2024, Olympiad Success had students from more than 5,000 schools across India and abroad. So this is all about informative PPT. I hope I'm clear to each and everyone. Show me thumbs up if I'm clear. Okay, over to you, Pooja ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So students, you will be going to use this dashboard for your material in which you need to enter this URL olympiadsuccess.com. Over here, you will be going to enter your registered email ID with which you will register with us. After signing in, you will get your profile details updated in case you find any error. You can update it over here. Clicking on live classes, you will get your entire material. So over here, you need to select your subject and of course topic. Here you'll get your schedule in which you'll get the clarity in which session you're going to which particular topic. So after completion of every chapter, you will be going to have a test discussion. That means you'll be going to discuss the test with your mentor, okay? You'll be going to get a mock test paper, solve it at home, and in coming session, you'll be going to discuss doubts with your mentor. Obviously, we are living in North, so in case we don't want you to miss any session because already we do have festival holidays. Here you go with the reading material. For a better understanding. Here is the question paper and answer keys for your practice. So I recommend you download your paper, solve it, and then check your answer keys. Don't check your answer keys parallelly. Okay. So yes, that's all about dashboard. Now we are open for the QA round. If anybody is having any doubt, needed clarity, feel free to drop your question in the chat box. We'll be happy to answer your each and every query. You need to log out. Let me stop sharing my screen. Any doubt, or shall we begin with the demo? If you want me to begin your demo, show me thumbs up on the screen. Okay, Dishani, Eva, Kayan, Viransh, thumbs up. Jeffriya, thumbs up. What about Aditya and Kanishka? Turn on your cameras, please. Aditya, Kanishka, we don't allow students with cameras off. We got thumbs up from Kanishka. Very nice. Welcome back, Hennet. Aditya, over to you, Nehama.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, now let's start with learning the reasoning. Okay, the very first thing that we are going to learn is diagram-based question. Diagram-based question means certain diagram has been. Am I audible now? Show me a thumbs up. Properly audible? Okay, thank you. Fine. So certain diagram will be given to you. Okay, and you have to just complete the pattern. You have to tell that which answer means which of the following option will satisfy this pattern. So you can see that in this part of question, the left part and right part, okay, it's just working like a mirror, means whatever written on the left hand side, that this is working as a mirror image formed on the right hand side of the part. That's what you have to just see here also, that which option will satisfy in this box, which option should come in this box, so that it completes the exact pattern. Okay, so here what we are having, one triangle, one triangle, one rectangle, and one rectangle. You have to just check there should be, sorry, two squares. Okay, so you have to check in the following option there should be two squares. So where it's two squares? Here. And there is no line in all the option. In this option we are having line, in this option we are having line, in this option and this option we are not having any line. Okay, so these two options got eliminated. Now don't be in hurry that immediately you saw and just you tick anyone, just like you stick the D. No, you have to check that in this figure the circle is just, it is intersected by two lines. In this figure only one line is there, it is not intersected by the perpendicular line. Okay, so you have to go with option. Got it? So what you have to do, you have to observe the diagram and you have to check that how the, means which option will satisfy this one. Okay, now see what they have written here. We need to find out the similarity between the left hand side and the right hand side. Okay, means it will working as a mirror image. What this mirror says. Okay, okay, you're telling me the answer. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to just check that which exactly left hand side image match the right hand side image. That will be your answer. Okay. Now, just a second. Yes. Embedded figure. What is embedded figure? Embedded figure means this figure is given to you and you have to check that this specific figure you find in which of the following figure. Okay, embedded means it has to be stuck in the given, one of the given option. Okay, it has to be the part of one of the given option. Now see, this is just like this now. So you just check, does any option satisfy? I don't find any image like this in this one. Okay. But yes, this image can be the embedded figure of this one. This image is the part of this part can be embedded in this figure. Okay. So the answer will be option. See, okay. Embedded figure are the figures hidden inside the another figure. You have to check. You have to just check that which figure will be hidden inside from one of the four options. Okay. Now, analogy based question. Analogy based question means similarity. What similarity it is following up. Okay, for here I will give means I just tried. I want to tell you one thing that in English alphabets we have from A to Z we have 26 letters. Huh? So what we do basically we mark 1 for A, 2 for B, 3 for C, likewise we go. But it's really difficult to learn the number of each and every alphabet. Okay. So what we have done, we have just come up with a very small short trick. We just learned about Ijoti. Okay. What is Ijoti? Ijoti means fifth letter of the alphabet. Okay. J is 10th letter of the alphabet. O is 15th letter of the alphabet. T is 20th letter of the alphabet. And Y is 25th letter of alphabet. Okay. Now you know the position of E, J, O, T and Y. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to just check that if G is 7 means position of G is given as 7. See, E is 5, F will be 6, G will be 7. Then what will be the position of W? See, T, U, V, W. Okay. So T for 20, U for 21, 22 and 23. So what will be the option? Option B, 23. And suppose if you don't remember this thing, it will be a little time taken to write from A to Z and then find the value of W. It will be little, okay? So learn by this method, Ijoti. Ijoti means E will stand for 5, J will stand for 10, O for 15, T for 20 and Y for 25. And accordingly, you can find the position of the given alphabets. Just a second. You all are giving answers. Fine. Now, see. Now you have to find the odd one. Okay. See, it's very, means by seeing only we can observe that, okay, which one is the odd one out. I think this one is the odd one out because you have to, what you have to do, just count the number of beats. Yes, you have to count the number of beats because the placement of beats is different than all the garlands. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. This one is having 16 number of beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This one is having 14 number of beats. This one is having 12 number of beats. And this one is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 number of beats. Now see, all the three is having even number of beats, but it is having odd number of beats. So I think this one can be differentiated. Okay, this is odd one out because all of them are having even number of beats. This one is having odd number of beats. Okay, so this will be the odd one out. Any doubts? If you have any doubts, show me your thumbs down. No, no doubt. You have a doubt, Jafria? Can you? No, you don't have a doubt? Okay. Okay, now sequence based question. Okay, see in sequence based question, we have one thing. If you can remember, same less means if there is the movement on the similar sides. Okay, Means left to left, then you have to means same less. If similar sign movement, then you have to subtract. But let's not do that because maybe it will be riddle. Okay. In the English alphabet, it will be the third letter to the left of 10th letter from the left. Okay. E-J-O-P-Y. Okay. This is 5. This is 10. This is 15. This is 20. This is 25. In the English alphabet, what will be the third letter to the left of 10th letter from the alphabet? Which is the 10th letter from the left? Definitely it's J. Okay. Please don't write. Okay. Definitely it's J. 10th letter is J. Now, again come back to the question. What will be the third letter to the left of 10th letter? Okay. You have to just find left of the 10th letter. So, what will be the left of 10th letter? It can be I. Okay. Means you have to subtract 3 from 10. So, you will get 7th letter. So, what is the 7th letter of alphabet? G. What I wanted to tell you that if similar side movement is there, from left, we are moving to left. Okay. So, in that case, we use same less. Means we have to subtract. What we have to subtract? The positions of the alphabet. From 10, it is shifting to 3 more to the left. So, what you can do? You can subtract 10 minus 3 and you can just find the position of the 7th alphabet. Any doubts? Yes, Aditya? Kenneth, any doubt? No? Kaya? Dishani? Got it? Did you get this one about same less means I'm just moving on to the similar side of the alphabetical order. And if two similar movements are there, then we have to subtract. From where we have to subtract? The exact letter, 10th letter. And from there, I have to subtract the third position. So 10 minus 3 will be 7. So you have to check the position of the 7th digit from the left. Okay. Now mirror images question. Mirror images, in mirror images, left turns to be right and right turns to be left. It is kind of lateral inversion. Means lateral inversion means side changes. Left changes to right and right changes to left. Okay. Now very quickly in the chat box, tell me what can be the option for this question. Okay. Take 1 to 2 minutes and tell me what can be the option for this question. Done. A, 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 where D, and with D, where A, double A. Oh, wow. Aditya, double A. Very good. That double A is for Aditya Anand. So many A. Okay, Viransh. Very good. Is this A or A? Huh? Dishani is smiling. So many A for Viransh. Yes, Eva. What will be your answer? A. Okay. No, Eva. Jeffrey, what is your answer? Okay, let's check. See, which one? The right side of the objects becomes the left side. The left side of the object becomes the right side. The top and the bottom remains unchanged. So answer will be B. Nobody of you have answered B. Everyone answered A. Left side becomes right side. So it will be RATS. Okay. And the alphabets will also change its position. Means R from, if it is like that, then definitely it will be like that. Because first, the position of the letters will change from left to right. Then the image of the letters will also change from left to right. Got it? So you have to be very careful while doing this. Yes. Okay. Okay, Eva, very good. If you picked B, very good. But you were aware of this concept that first you have to just check the sequence of the alphabets, then you have to see the image of the alphabets also. Okay. Both the things has to be taken care. Top and bottom will not change. Okay, can anyone answer me in which case top and bottom changes? In which type of image? The position of the top and bottom changes. No? In water images. There will be no lateral inversion. Up becomes down, down becomes up. Okay, next. Yes. Now meaningful word based question. What you have to do? From select means certain word will be given to you, and from that word you have to make a meaningful word. Okay, you have to make a meaningful word. Now see, you can go with the options also. Nectar, Nectar, Nectar. Yes. Carpet is also there. These both the words are meaningful. A painter cannot be there. Why? Because I is not present in carpenter. So we will just abort this option and we'll go with A, B, and D. So which option, which of the following word cannot be made from the given word? That will be option C. Okay. Okay. Shall I give you one more question like this? Just give me a let me think. Let me think one word. Later on, I'll think in it. Yes. Now this is your time to do the questions. Hmm. Okay. Done. C part. Okay. Let others do. All of you try. Eva, you're trying. Done. Okay. Those who have, those who are telling me that 43 and 36. Okay. Henneth is saying A part. Okay. But you have to tell me that how you are getting, how you are coming to this conclusion. Can you write it in the chat box? Just write it in the chat box how you are coming to this conclusion. Let me check. What reason you will be giving to me for this question? Jeffrey, you're so happy. Hmm? What exciting is there today? But it's very good to be happy with a very smiling face. I like it. Okay. Very good, Jeffrey. Oh, very good. That's why you are happy. Very good, Viraj. What about others? Quickly. Okay, fine. Look here. 85, 78, 78, 71. Just see what the pattern is following on. Okay. So 85 numbers are decreasing. So there must be some number which is getting subtracted. Okay. What we can do 85 minus 78 and we'll get the result as 7. So this difference is 7. Then this difference is 7. Then this difference is 7. Okay. Continuously we are getting the difference of 7. So what will be 50 minus 7? It will be 43. And what will be 43 minus 7? It will be 36. Okay. So option C. Got it? Fine. Next question. This one. Yes. Done, Jeffrey. Done this question? Then do it. What happened, Eva? You're trying? Kenneth, Aditya, Kayan, Dishani, Kanishka. Try. I just want to check this so much intelligent. Okay. Okay. B, C. I don't know. Means, okay. C, P, B, and V. Okay. Let's check the positions of the alphabets. PB means, okay, T means 20, U means 21, V means 20. And what is BB? BB means 2 and 2, and this is 22. It means AA means 11. Huh? 1 and 1. The position of A and A is 11, right, Jeffrey? Jeffrey? Yes? So for 1, 1, 11, what can be the alphabet? JK. Okay, so K will be 11. So the option B. Okay. Any doubts? Now coming to the last one. Yes. This is done. Okay. Solve. That's all. The question. Nothing else was there. So what we did today? We just learned what is diagram based questions. We learned about analogy based question, and we learned about how to find the odd one out. Then sequence based question, mirror images. Okay, all these things we learned. Okay, let me come up with one question of reasoning. Just give me that. I'm finding. Okay, one more question we'll do, and then we will end up the study. Just a second. Okay. Please complete the just a minute. Can you please complete these three sequences? What will be the upcoming sequence in that? Viraj, 1 plus 1 is 2, but it's not 1 plus 1. There, AA means 1, 1, 11. Okay, they haven't added it. Very good. Very good, Viraj. Then, wow, Hanit, very good. Then, what will be the next sequence? No, it will not be C because I haven't used that alphabet C. Okay. A, A, B, A, A, B, A, A, B, B. Then one more A is added. Okay. And then 3, A and 3. Got it? Let me check who has done this. Not C. C will not be added. Very good. 4. No, no, no. Yes. Very good, Henry. Very good. Okay. So hope you all enjoyed the session. Okay. I'll be waiting for you in the upcoming sessions. Any doubts? Very good, Dishani. Very good. Yes. Anybody having any doubt? No? Okay, then bye-bye. Take care. Bye. Ma'am will get back to you. Okay? Bye-bye.